This video is for people who want to learn how to use sections on ClassFlow. Hello, so this is a short little tutorial on how you can organize your ClassFlow on Toddle. I'm sure that there are many other ways of doing it, and I'm just going to share how I have done it with my class. And so this is our landing page on Toddle, and let's go to 7B English, and this is ClassFlow, so classroom, ClassFlow, and I want to create I'm starting a new unit, and I'm going to name this unit MYP Unit 6 Cartoon Analysis. Let's say that that's my name, and that section has been created. It's still a draft because I don't want to share it just yet. I'm going to pull it all the way to the top so that it's right at the top. And this is where I'm going to add all of the activities that I do for my cartoon analysis. And when my students go to ClassFlow, they're going to be able to find all of my activities right under that section. So let's have a look at what the end result looks like. So this is, for example, a TED Talk unit that we did. And these are all of the things that we did. And so we've got rubric explanations, we've got presentations, we've got links to our class slides, we've got quick tasks, and other learning experiences. And so it's really easy for students to find any type of assignment or experience or slides that are connected because they're all in this one section. So when we add something, I can create a quick task. I can name it. So let's say that this is cartoon analysis. I can add an image if I want to. I'm going to add the description here, and I'm going to assign. Here I can choose a due date. I'm going to make it not visible to teachers only, so because it's only for practice. I'm going to assign. I chose not to add another class. I could have added one, and you'll see that it's right here. Now, let's say that I want to create an assignment from here, and I want to go here, assignments, and I make a new assignment, and I'm going to make a summative assessment. And so I've made this summative assessment, cartoon analysis. I can add an image. I can add a description, and I can choose my assessment tool, and I can assign it. I'm going to make it due on this day. I'm going to make it visible only to teachers. And this is really important. I need to remember to click on add this task to ClassFlow. And I need to assign, because then when I go to ClassFlow, if I go here to my ClassFlow, you're going to see that down here, our assessment just showed up. And I'm going to pull it up, and I'm going to add it to cartoon analysis. I'm going to move it. And you'll see that I'm starting to create my section. And that's all.